The Rockwell hardness test, scale C. In this video we will show how the Rockwell hardness test works using a gear wheel. The basic idea of this test method is to measure the permanent depth of indentation of a hard indenter under a test force. In the process variant scale C, a rounded cone made of diamond is used as an indenter. In step 1, the diamond cone is pressed onto the test piece surface with a minor force of 10 kilopons. The depth of indentation under this preliminary load is the reference point. In step 2, the test force is increased by 140 kilopons, which is acting as the major force. This means that an overall force of 150 kilopons is now acting on the indenter, and this force is held for a certain time. In step 3, the major force is removed again. While the minor force is still acting, the permanent increase in depth of indentation E is measured. This is how the Rockwell hardness is calculated. Rockwell hardness HRC is equal to 0.2 minus permanent depth of indentation E in millimeters times 500. Let's take a look at how the test is carried out in practice. The tester selects the conical diamond indenter and installs it in the testing machine. Then he picks up the gear wheel and puts it on the support table. After rotating the microscope lens to its vertical position, he can adjust his test piece. As soon as a focused image can be seen on the screen, the surface of the test piece is in the correct height. The test can start. In modern testing machines, the Rockwell hardness test is fully automated. That's why the Rockwell hardness test is used so often in automated production lines. That's it! The Rockwell hardness of our gear wheel is 55 HRC. This result is displayed on the screen.